Introducing Lite, the world's lightest premium foldable bike. Weighing only at 9.7 kg, Lite is great for commuters and leisure riders alike.
Let's take a look at this amazing lightweight foldie and how it fares while riding.
The Lite houses 9-speed, shifted by a Shimano Sora derailleur and a Sensah MX9 shifter. Despite having so much power, this bike only weighs at 9.7 kg due to its aluminium advanced grade composite frame. It comes with a 53T crankset and the Ion quick release anti-slip detachable pedals. There is also an integrated seat post light. The 16-inch pneumatic tyres will provide you with a smooth riding experience.
As you can see, this bike changes gears smooth and seamlessly. Without much effort, I can change the gear according to the terrain easily. Not only does it have a top-notch riding performance, it is also one of the most compact foldable bikes, making it easy to carry or push around.
Its folded dimensions measures only at 63 cm by 30 cm by 61 cm. The Lite can be brought onto different modes of transports conveniently. It can even be placed comfortably under your desk when fully folded. So there you have it, the Lite. Undeniably one of the most lightweight, compact, premium foldable bike. What are you waiting for? Come down to any of our 4 outlets to test ride the Lite now.